Hello, I have a final update on my studio. I think I've got it finally set up how I want it. I have a few more of my sewing things to move in, but this is pretty much it. We moved this hi-fi up from the beach. We weren't using it down there, and I was able to put a cart in the kitchen that's better anyway. But it works, and these records I just got at a garage sale. I loved this record when I was a kid. I moved these chairs up. I had these at the beach. I have plenty of other ones down there to fill in. I moved one of my Fred paintings here. I love this. But we got it pretty much all trimmed out. I moved Garloo here to a nice spotlight place for him. And I put up lights. I put up lights because lighting is everything, you know. That's a cool one there. It's sort of a speckly one. Got one back there. There's one back here. And they're all on a remote that I can turn off and on. This painting is one I did years ago. There's a heater in case I need it. These were on the porch at the beach. I moved things around. So I have my Saarinen table and my Nelson rockers. This is my work area desk thing that we made out of one of the old doors. There's my lovely laptop. And this is an IKEA cart that I used at the other house for my sewing stuff, and I need to get a better pot for this fake plant. And there's my shelves. You know, they're beauty. So I haven't filled it yet, but I have time. Got my 3D printer here. And that's extra 3D printer stuff. This is my silhouette. And pretty much there's another one of those chairs. And then this is my storage. Like I said, I forgot my sewing stuff. So there's one of my featherweights down there. But this can be gone through too, and things purged. But oh, I have Robot Commando up there with those really cool bed springs that I got at a garage sale last summer. So Robot Commando, awesome. And that's it. So I need to get to work at some point. And it's kind of cold here right now, but this is how it turned out. Oh, and I got my weather stripping. So I've got my weather stripping all around the door. We need to paint the door frame. That's our last thing to do. But that's it. I'm very happy. It turned out better than I thought it would. I have a lot more room than I thought I did. So I will be back. Bye.